Well, seeing as how it's dry January, I thought I would just do a little taste test and a scientific test of the Budweiser Prohibition Brew. Now, the first reason for picking it up in the supermarket was I quite like the tin. You know, I think it's a really nicely designed tin. But you know what? It's not just about the tin, is it? So, let's give it a quick taste test. Let's open the can up. As you can see, I'm wearing special medical grade latex gloves so as not to contaminate the Budweiser Prohibition Brew. Although I do have to say, wearing latex gloves while drinking pints is not a good idea because they're quite slippy. Anyway, so we can see the beer here. It's not a bad colour. It's got a lager kind of colour. And, you know, it's got a bit of a head on there, but as you can see, the bubbles disappeared really, really quickly. Anyway, so let's have a quick slurp. Well, it looks like beer, and it does sort of taste like beer. It's like a very dry lager, but, you know, without any alcohol. It's rather watery and a bit insipid. But it does taste like beer. I reckon it'd be quite good with a dash of lime in it. For those of you remember the 1970s and a pint of lager and lime, I think it'd probably be all right with that. So we're going to do a few of the scientific tests now. So we're going to drop the emoji into the lager to see if it floats, thus proving that Prohibition Brew does have a flotation coefficient. Now the next thing we're going to do is weigh it. So here we can see that yes indeed Prohibition Brew has density, which can be a good thing. And then the final test is let's see how it crushes, and we're going to be using a pair of 1970s platform boots which are still popular in various parts of the country. So we give it a good crack down and there we go. You know, it crushes quite nice, and interestingly enough it's also taken on the shape of my platform boots, which I think is quite interesting. So perhaps it also has modelling capabilities. I don't know. So, Budweiser Prohibition Brew. One problem with it really is it's 111 calories per can, which seems quite high to me. But anyway, would I drink it? Well, probably not. I mean, it tastes like beer, but I think I'd rather have some fizzy water. Okay, hope that helps. Cheery bye.